you shall need a compass to check the direction of your main door. Stand inside your house or office and face the main door. Ensure that the red needle points to the north. Once the needle is adjusted to north, you will be able to find your main door direction. In this video, the main door is in east direction. We all spend 2/3 of our time in our house or office, which is surrounded by abundant cosmic energy. Every individual can get connected to the cosmic energy through direction. Following the direction for your main door is one of the most important steps to ensure proper flow of cosmic energy in your house or office. To know your main door direction, subscribe below.